then straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, this is Poppy's Workshop. Hi. We're out in the shop, as you can see. This is my hashtag Rough Cut 2022 final absolute video. I'm going to finish up this tool I started grinding. I'm going to finish it. First, I'm going to address the chip breaker. Yeah, that's the one. And where is the sleeve? Oh well. I'll just have to do it without the sleeve for my handpiece. Okay. Well, I'm just going to have to bull through here and work without my handpiece sleeve. Uh-huh. Bring you down off of there, I guess. Okay, in order to have the reach that I need. Yeah, right here. And I'm going to set this here. Uh-huh. Bring you in here. Now what I'm doing is I'm refining the chip breaker. And I guess I'm going to have to do it in this orientation. That's why I don't want to do it that orientation. And I don't want to use this tool either. This is the wrong point. I decided I was going to use a ball point. And I changed my mind, but I changed it. Come out there. Damn you. Yeah. That ball point. Okay. Maybe you can see right here. It's almost all the way to the corner. Put that one back. Take out this bobber. Okay, now. Okay. Try this orientation. Put this ball point back. Now, let's see, which one shall I use? Well, since this is the one most suited for the task, I'll use this one. You might be able to tell that's a sintered diamond wheel. Get out a diamond file here. No, that's not it. Where are you guys hiding? Oh, there you are. Hi. Ah! Yeah, that's a diamond file. Put this diamond file back. Excuse me. And I will put the file drawer back. I'm doing it off camera, but you can believe me, I put it away. I forget. No, I don't. I remember. I had you right here. Come on. There we go. Getting out. Oh! Hang the flex shaft back up there. And let's go back here. Okay. I wish you could see the point of this tool the way I can. But it's sharp. Okay. Put my burr drawer away. Now, okay. So now that I have this end, the chip breaker roughing end, sharpened to my satisfaction, I will attend to this, the standard style finishing tool. A tiny bit more. Yeah. And now for back raise. And there we have the finishing tool. Although I think I should give more side and back. And there we are. Sharp on all three. And it's hot. That's why I use the hand vise to hold it. Yeah. Okay. Diamond file. There. Perfectly sharp. You notice I did very little radius. Almost none on this tip. There. Now I'm using this on my shear line, and for a shear line you want sharp tools. You can't get away with no dull tools. No, you can't get away with dull tools on a shear line. Those big machines, you know, the full size machinery, right? You can get away with a dull tool. And if you think I'm wrong, look at most of the carbide inserts guys are using. Unless they're using the super expensive precision ground inserts, they're not only dull, I mean rounded. Yeah, that ain't sharp. I understand why. It's because of the fragile, brittle nature of cemented carbide. You want a negative angle so it don't break. And they put that little chip breaking ditch around it, and it sort of gives you a little tooth, but it's dull. You know, baby bird got his way out of that egg. That tooth is dull now. Egg tooth. Yeah. Okay, now I've had some distressing news lately about Emma Ritson. I mean, it's been a bad 2 years for her. First, her landlord dies. She has to move. All right. And it seems that she just gets situated and she's getting back up to speed. Daddy dies. She has to go to another island, or to an island. I think they call Australia a continent. Anyway, she had to go to an island where Daddy was living and sort through his stuff, claw back some of her precious girl time, stuff, take some of Daddy's stuff, then get rid of the rest. Apparently, her sister didn't want Daddy's house. Now I'm wondering if Emma wished she'd taken Daddy's house and moved all her stuff from Australia to where Daddy's house was. It's probably still there, but it's not Daddy's no more. Anyway, but I have no right to spend Emma's money for her and Pfizer and all that, but drive it off a cliff, shithead. I'm a sweetheart, aren't I? I mean, that guy, he pisses off the Harley Davidson rider next door. Yeah. Ah. Anyway, it's not my place. I have no right. I don't even have the privilege of caring, rightfully. But, Emma dear, screw posterity. Screw past the day you kick off. You need a place where you can live and work. If it's near the watch repair shop, great. Otherwise, you know, you say, you don't have anyone you can leave it to when you go? You know you're going to go, 50, 60 years down the road. You know you're going to be gone next year. Then you sell it to someone. But anyway, take care of Emma now. Screw what happens to the universe when Emma's gone. It won't be affecting you then, but you need what you need now. Anyway, good night from California. I hope what I've shown you on this lathe tool has been helpful to someone, especially someone with a shear line or other small lathe. Good night.